If you handle customer data in Excel, this quick trick will save you from privacy nightmares. In this video, I'll show you how to instantly mask sensitive data in Excel using just one simple function.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So here you can see that in this data, I have the names of the customers along with their card number. But I don't want to display the card number. Therefore, in this D column, I want to create a list of the masked card number. For this purpose, I'll make use of the replace function. So here in this cell, I will write equal replace. And in the syntax, you can see that first I need to provide the old text. Old text is actually the text that I want to replace with some other thing. So I'll select this cell. And next I need to provide the start number. Start number is actually the position from where we want to replace. So because I want to replace from the first number, so I'll write 1. Next, I need to provide the number of characters that I want to replace. So if you notice that this card number is actually a 16-digit number, and from these 16 digits, I just want to keep the last 4 digits. So it's mean that I want to replace my first 12 character along with the 2 spaces that are present in between them. So there are a total 14 characters that I want to replace. Next, in inverted commas, I need to specify that with which symbol I want to replace these numbers. So in inverted commas, I'll write asterisk sign and I will repeat it as many times as I want to display. Next, I will close the parenthesis and hit enter. So here you can see that I got the masked card number from the original text. To get the rest of the masked card number, I'll bring my cursor to the bottom right corner and double click it. And that's how you mask card numbers in Excel using the replace function. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and turn on bell so you never miss another Excel tip. Thanks for watching. See you next time.